Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. This is a very urgent video for all Omi holders, and this video I will show you the live price prediction of Ecomi and what's the change goes in Ecomi in the previous hours, last 1 hour, last 2 hour, and as it appears time to buy, sell or hold Omi. In this video I will show you. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. And now let's see the price prediction of Omi, what's going on and Omi market. As you can see here, that is the last 1 hour price prediction of the Omi. As you can see here, absolutely a surprise jump for all Omi holders. As you can see here now, on the graph, the continuously jumping upward of the Omi. Happy my heart, wish my heart. As you can see here, the changes is absolutely very good change occur in the Omi, and the last 1 hour positive 1.53% chance occur in the Omi in the last 1 hour. That's only the last 1 hour price prediction of Omi network. And if you see here, the high price of Omi is about $0.007825 is the high price of Omi network. That is the last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction, what's the change goes and the previous hours too. As you can see here, the previous hours absolutely not a good. As you can see here, they take jump, but after a jump they can fall down. As you can see here, it is a surprise hour. The last hour is surprise hour for all Omi holders. As you can see here, they continuously take a jump in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, the result of this period. So if we look the changes of the previous hour, that is why they negative, because in the previous hour, as you can see here, at this period they falling down. That is why the changes is in negative 0.18% chance occur in the Omi in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Omi is about $0.007839 is the high price of Omi network. So friends, that is absolutely good news for all Omi holders. That is why I make this urgent video for all Omi holders. That's friends, if you want to buy, sell or hold Omi network, so it's time to, if you are a holder, my suggestion for you that hold your Omi with the end of this month. And if you want to buy Omi network, so absolutely it's the best time to buy Omi network and make a good amount of profit. And if you want to sell it, so it's not the best time to sell it, because the average change, if we look the last 7-day period, the last 1 month changes price prediction, so they are in the lows. That is why my suggestion for you that it's not time to sell it, please hold it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update.